Hello everyone, in this presentation I would like to review a journal article entitled Lessons Learned from Investigating EFL Pre-Service Teachers' Competencies. This study discusses the competencies of pre-service English teachers in the Indonesian context. This article was written by Didi Sukyadi, Ika Lestari Damayanti, Fuad Abdul Hamid, Wawan Gunawan, Kurniawan Suryatmana, and Firly Asfia. The authors are affiliated with Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, specifically from the English Language Education Program and the Language Center. The article was published in the journal Studies in English Language and Education, Volume 12, Issue 3 in 20 and 25, and this journal is indexed by Scopus. Next, abstract summary. Based on the abstract, this study investigates the English proficiency levels, perceptions, and pedagogical competencies of pre-service English teachers who graduated from Indonesian teacher education universities. This research uses a mixed method approach and reveals both strengths and weaknesses in teacher preparation programs, especially in pedagogical and technological aspects. And next, research objective and importance. The main objectives of this research are to examine the competencies of EFL pre-service teachers and to identify challenges in English teacher education programs. This research is important because teacher competence strongly affects the quality of English learning. By understanding pre-service teacher guidelines, teacher education institutions can improve their curriculum and training systems. And next, differences from previous research. What makes this research different from previous studies is that it examines teacher competence from multiple perspectives at once, including proficiency, perception, and pedagogy. In addition, the use of mixed methods allows the researchers to obtain more comprehensive and in-depth findings. And the next slide is theories in the introduction. In the introduction, the authors refer to several theories from experts. Schulman explains that teacher competence includes content knowledge and pedagogical knowledge. Richards emphasized the importance of pedagogical competence in effective language teaching. Meanwhile, OECD highlights that professional teachers must continuously develop their skills to meet global education demands. The next slide is research method. This study applies a mixed method research design. The researcher used questionnaires and interviews to collect both quantitative and qualitative data. This method was chosen to gain numerical data as well as deeper insights to teachers' experience and perceptions. And next is research subject. The subjects of this research were 52 pre-service English teachers who graduated between 2019 and 2023 from one Indonesian university's English language education program. They had diverse backgrounds, including formal school teachers, non-formal instructors, office workers, and unemployed graduates. And next is data collection and analysis. The data were collected through TOEFL-like test score reports, Likert scale questionnaires, classroom observations, interviews with employers, and focus group discussions. For data analysis, the researchers used descriptive statistics for quantitative data and thematic analysis from qualitative data. And next slide is research findings and reflection. These findings of this study are very useful for English education students. The research shows that although pre-service teachers have adequate English proficiency, there are still gaps in pedagogical skills, technology integration, and professional competence. As an English education student, this study reminds me that being a good English teacher is not only about mastering the language, but also about developing teaching skills, technological literacy, and professional attitudes to face real classroom challenges. That's all from me. Thank you.